Imagine creating these incredible, stunning videos with just a few lines of text. I mean, for creators, that's the dream, right? It sounds like a total game changer, but then you start looking for these free tools and you just hit this wall of confusion. So let's break it down and figure out how you can actually make free AI video work for your channel.
Okay, so let's get right to it. Is free AI video really possible for a creator who needs to publish consistently? Well, the short answer is kind of yes, but there's a huge catch. You see, in the world of AI, the word free has a whole new rulebook.
On one hand, you get this amazing promise of instant, professional-looking videos for your channel. But the reality, well, it's more like a maze of hidden limits, annoying watermarks, and some pretty tough choices you have to make right from the get-go. So let's map out a clear path through that maze together. First up, let's break down this new reality of what free actually means. Seriously, understanding these rules is the key to figuring out which tool is right for you, so you don't waste a ton of time. So check out this table. This pretty much lays out the entire landscape of what you're giving up. But look, the most important thing I want you to notice is that resource model column. You either get a one-time bucket of credits or you get a recurring monthly or weekly amount. This one difference is absolutely crucial. So what this really boils down to is that there are two kinds of free. The one-time credits model, that's basically like a super powerful software trial. You get to see everything it can do, it's amazing, and then it's over. The recurring model is more like a free-to-play game. You get a smaller amount of resources, but they refresh, which means you can actually build a consistent, small-scale strategy around it. Let's use Runway ML as an example. It's one of the most powerful tools out there. Their free plan gives you 125 credits, and you're probably thinking, hey, 125, that sounds like a decent number, right? But what does that actually get you? In terms of real, usable content for your YouTube channel. It gets you 25 seconds of video? Yeah, that's it. Just 25 seconds using their best model. And once those credits are gone, they're gone for good on the free plan. It is a one-shot deal. And beyond just running out of credits, you're going to run into this trio of limitations on almost every single free platform. You've got the watermark, which kind of screams, I made this with a free tool. You've got the low resolution, usually capped at 720p, which is below what viewers expect. And then you've got slow rendering, because free users are always in the slow lane, which can totally mess up your upload schedule.
Okay, so now that we know the rules of the game, the whole market actually gets a lot simpler. It really just boils down to two main paths you can take. And picking the right one is all about what your channel actually needs.
You have to ask yourself, what is my goal? Do I need unique, jaw-dropping, cinematic B-roll to tell a story? That's path number one, generative visuals. Or do I need to get information out there clearly and consistently using a talking head? That's path number two, communicative avatars. This is your first and honestly your most important decision. So let's dive into that first path. And we have to start with the undisputed king of the hill here, Runway ML. This is the go-to tool if you care about stunning, unique visuals more than anything else. This right here, this is exactly what Runway was born to do. It's an engine designed to take descriptive words like these and turn them into footage that looks like it's straight out of a Hollywood movie. It is all about pure visual creativity. But, and you knew there was a but coming, here's the reality of that free plan. You get all that incredible power, but it's locked behind those 125 one-time credits, which, as we saw, gives you about 25 seconds of watermarked 720p footage. It's an amazing demo, don't get me wrong, but it is not a long-term production tool. So the trade-off with Runway's free plan is crystal clear. You are trading sustainability for quality. You get to play with the absolute cutting edge of AI video, but you simply cannot build a consistent channel on it. All right, now let's switch gears and look at the second path, which has a completely different goal. If you think of Runway as that cinematic engine, you should think of HeyGen as the communication specialist. And you can see the difference right away, can't you? HeyGen offers a recurring resource. We're talking up to 3 videos every single month. See, this isn't a one-and-done demo. This is a model that's built from the ground up for a consistent, even if it's small, production schedule. It's made for channels that need to publish regularly. And this is where HeyGen really shines. It's all about speed and efficiency. The workflow is just dead simple. You can take a script, turn it into a finished talking head video in just a few minutes. It's all about being able to scale up your content. The trade-off here is the complete opposite of Runway. With Heijin, you're sacrificing that unique cinematic visual flair. But in exchange, you get an incredibly consistent, fast, and scalable workflow. You can actually build a channel on this. But yeah, every video is going to share that same kind of avatar-based look. So while Runway and Heijin are like the two main highways, there are a few other little side roads, specialized tools that are worth knowing about for very specific jobs. For example, you've got Synthesia. It has these super polished, hyper-realistic corporate avatars, probably the best looking ones out there. But the free plan is so limited, just 3 minutes a month, that it's really just for checking the quality, not for actual production. Then there's InVideo AI. It gives you 2 minutes per week, which makes it great for pumping out quick social media shorts, but it can't generate those unique visuals like Runway can. So after looking at the whole landscape, the tools, the trade-offs, it becomes really clear that the choice isn't about which tool has the most features. It's all about your channel's fundamental strategy. And it all comes down to this one single question. What's best for your channel? Is your goal to create a few unforgettable, visually stunning moments that push creative boundaries? Or is it to build a library of reliable, informative content that you can deliver with speed and consistency? Your answer to that question will tell you exactly which free tool is actually the right one for you.